Dear children, welcome to 5th standard social science class. Today our lesson is agriculture in term 3. Introduction. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. It has become a necessity for the humans. Agriculture led to the development of human civilization. India is an agricultural country. 1/3 of our nation's income comes from agriculture. Agricultural development contributes to the economy of our country. Farmers in India. Who is a farmer? A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals, poultry and other livestock. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Types of farming. There are several types of farming. Subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, mixed farming. Subsistence means supporting one minimum level. Subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. Such type of farming is adopted by small and marginal farmers on fragmented land holdings. Fragmented means a broken part. The cultivated crops are usually food crops. The method of this farming is generally archaic. Archaic means very old. Commercial farming. Unlike subsistence farming, here the crops are cultivated for commercial use and is sold in markets. Commercial means buying and selling of goods. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Examples: tea, coffee and rubber. Mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Do you know? Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. Water resource for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamilnadu. Perennial means continuing in the same way. Tamilnadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Central Ground Water Board CGWB monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production. Types of irrigation. Well irrigation, canal irrigation. Canal means an artificial waterway. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler means sprays water. Drip irrigation. Drip means to shed small drops of liquid. Well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Minimize means reduce. Do you know? Green revolution is a process which brought an increase in crop production by using new varieties of seeds, pesticides and new agricultural techniques. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan of Tamilnadu is known as father of Green Revolution in India. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Horticulture means the art or practice of garden cultivation and management. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. Staple food means dominant part of a population's diet or eaten regularly and even daily. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, cholam, bajra, kambu, ragi and pulses, Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram and horse gram. The cash crops include cotton, sugarcane, oil seeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly and chilies. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, chrysanthemum, marigold and rose. Do you know animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture? Horticulture is the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Tanjavur is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Let us see recap. India is an agricultural country. Indian farmers are the backbone of the Indian economy. There are several methods of farming systems in India. There are 4 basic types of irrigation. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi and pulses. Thank you children.